The wheels of bicycle A and B have the radius of 30 centimeter and 40 centimeter respectively. While traveling a certain distance, each wheel of A required 5000 more revolutions than each wheel of B. A bicycle B travels this distance in 45 minutes, then its speed in kilometer per hour will be what? So first of all, the speed asked in kilometer per hour, but the radius given is 30 centimeter and 40 centimeters. So first of all, convert this into kilometer per hour. So let us say that A's radius is given is 30 centimeter. If we convert it in meter, we'll have to divide it by 100. For converting in kilometer, we'll have to further divide it by 1000. So this becomes 30 by 100. 3 by 100 basically we can say 3 by 100 square. Similarly, B's radius, if we convert it in kilometer, it will become 4 upon 100 square. Now here it mentioned that for a certain distance, that wheel of A required 5000 more distance, right? So that means what? The wheel of B required had 5000 less distance, less 5000 less revolutions. So for revolutions, for each revolutions is basically the perimeter of wheels. So here we can say that distance divided by the revolutions of B's, which is perimeter, basically we can say perimeter of the wheel B will give us the number of revolutions. So that is, let us say this is 2 pi and B here plus 5000 will be equals to that D divided by the perimeter of wheel of A. This is 2 pi A's R. Take this one this side, so this becomes, and take common D by 2 pi. So what we will get is 1 upon B by R minus 1 upon A of R is equals to minus of 5000, right? Or we can say D by 2 pi. So put BR is basically 4 upon 100. So 100 will go in numerator, and this is 100 square by 4 minus this will also be 100 square by 3, that is equals to minus of 5000. Now if we take LCM, D upon 2 pi, that is 12. LCM will be 12. So this is 4 3s are this is, and take also 100 square common. So what we will get here is 3 minus 4, that is equals to minus of 5000. So 3 minus 4 is minus 1, minus minus will get cancel out, and we'll get 5000 is equals to D by 2 pi into 100 whole square divided by 12, right? And D is equals to 5000 into 24 pi divided by 100 into 100. This 30 will get cancelled out. 5 1, this is 2 times, and 2 this is 12 times. So the distance will be basically 12 pi. Now we have to find out the speed of B. So B's speed will be the distance, that is 12 pi, divided by the time, which is 45 minutes. Now convert 45 minutes into hour, because we have to find out in kilometer per hour. So this is 45 by 60. 15, this is 3 times, this is 4 times. So this becomes 12 pi into 4 by 3, and we can say that is equals to 60 pi. So the speed of wheel of bicycle B, that will be 16 pi. Thank you very much.